ever been in a tractor trailer?
Yeah. You could just do that. Say it.
Have you ever rode in a tractor trailer before? It's not doing
It's
it
not your voice.
because no, it's on your headset. What's your headset?
Headset. Turn it off.
Have you ever rode in a tractor?
Now it's connected. All right.
Hello, Team Happy.
Hey, Team Happy members, how you guys doing? Welcome, welcome, welcome.
No, not like that. You got to put it around that big thing back there. Yeah, that hole, put it, and then do it twice. Did you wipe off your back to the camera?
Yeah. Welcome, Team Happy members. How you guys doing? Don't forget to thumbs up the live. We are at the Pilot Truck Stop. Ready? Perez, how you doing? Share the live out, please. Welcome, welcome, Team Happy members. Welcome, guys. How you guys doing today? Or I think it's morning there. Can you guys tell me what time of day it is in the Philippines? Thank you for the thumbs up. Okay, it's 8:20 a.m. All right. Right now here it's 8:20 p.m.
All right. See this? See my comment? See this comment right here? Pin it. Scroll down. No, down. Down. There. Nope. Up. Tap on it. And say, it says pin comment.
Come on, guys, share the live out. Share the live out, please. Princess AG is in the building. Rosella. Rosalie.
Hey, Perez. How you doing?
There you go. Now I can see. I got my glasses on. Thank you. Rosemary, how you doing?
All right.
All right, ready to take off. Oh man. Hold on, fellas. I don't know if you can see. Princess AGTV's driving.
No, they can't see me. Oh, now they can. Hello.
Oh God. I hate when this happens. You can make that turn? I don't even said you was.
But I can make that.
Oh, he's smart. He opened his hood.
He'd have been better off coming over here to park.
Yeah.
'Cause I don't know if he's trying to wait.
For what?
He's trying to shut down for the night.
That's exactly what he's gonna do.
So now he's gonna open up his hood and put his flashes on. So you're gonna sit there?
That's right.
Wow.
Instead of just
I tell you
parking
them.
on the side.
Hummity.
It's not a Hummer. No,
He is a hummity.
No, he's not.
What was it? Oh.
Come on, guys, share the live out, please. Also, there's free parking across the street over there. But he don't know.
Should have told him. There's free parking across the street.
He don't know.
Why you didn't let him know?
When I just came here, I just remembered.
It's him blocking up the bill out. That ain't cool.
He did.
Well, I'm not good. This is cut.
No, I'm
in
saying.
front of me. I get what you're saying. Look at all that parking.
A lot of these guys don't know that part. See, look like that. Welcome to the live. Welcome to the live. He coming in and out, in and out.
Yeah, because you don't have a conversation. You didn't have a conversation for like an hour's conversation talking about.
Team Happy. Christine, how you doing? Thanks for coming. How's your morning so far? You want to go to the back roads?
No.
Back roads. This one is simple, it's a straight line.
Oh, okay. This one is it's gonna take me to I-10.
Yeah.
Okay. Straight down I-10.
West.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah. Welcome, welcome, guys. Welcome, Team Happy. Yeah, back here. All Team Happy members, welcome, welcome, welcome. It's good to see you guys. How you guys doing? How's the morning? Thank you. We'll drive safe. Thank you. Share the live out, please. Rosemary. Master, blessings, blessings, blessings. How you doing? Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit that like button. You could tap on your screen or those three dots in the right hand top corner. Hit those and you'll see the thumbs up button. Perez again. Perez, how you doing? I don't want to mess up your first name. Bless up, bless up. Master at edit, bless up. How you doing today, bro? Or how you doing? Don't forget to like the live, guys. Taking a ride in the backwoods in Valdosta, Georgia. Janita, how you doing? Hello, how you doing? Welcome. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Barbie, how you doing today? Good morning. Yard Foods, how you doing? Thanks for coming. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, guys. How you doing today? Sushi family, what's going on? Long time, long time. Wagwan. Just giving you guys a little drive out. I mean, I'm doing good. How's the family doing? Special K in the building. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Good to hear, Yard Foods. Good to hear that. This live, I'm not gonna be long because I'm gonna lie, I'm tired, but I'm gonna take you guys through the woods, take you up to I-10, and when we hit I-10, I'm gonna phase out. Because a brother tired. Wilma, how you doing? Thanks for coming. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button while you guys come in. Some phones you can double tap on the screen and give me the thumbs up. If not, there's three dots in the right hand corner on top. Hit those three dots and you'll see that like button. Mega left shout out to all my team happy members. Woo. I really appreciate all you team happy members to come through. Special K, big up yourself. Sushi family, I really appreciate you coming through. Yard food, blessings and respect always. Thank you. I appreciate that thumbs up. I appreciate it. Angie Cooking and Spree, Wagwan. Yeah man, bless up. Enough respect for stopping by. This is just a quick live, but you know. And plus, in these area, there's like wooded area. I don't know if my internet's gonna go out, cause we're in the back bush, the bush area of Georgia. Heading to Houston, Texas. Thank you. We will drive safe. Be there in the morning. Early. Oh, you're in the UK?
I'm supposed to go straight, right?
Yeah.
No, why this thing not telling me?
Because it wants you to go back up to the backwoods back there. You'd be crazy if you do. It's supposed to pick up. The GPS was there. It is. All right. All right. 3 miles. We're gonna be crossing over from Georgia to Florida. Angie, what part of Georgia? And does he drive for himself or does he work for a company? Who? Thank you, Team Happy. Yeah, does he drive for himself or does he long haul driving? Yeah, we would not well, the southeast really. Tired of all that long driving, man. Going to California and all these cross country. And where you out? Where you out, man? Thank you. Man, long time, bro. Okay, he lives in Swanee. Swanee is about, what is it, about 2 counties? Yeah, it's about 20 minutes away from me. From where I live. I don't know if you see that white sign up here. We are in Florida right now. Just crossed the border. I said this is how long? 19 minutes. And I hit 25 minutes. I'm gonna kind of cut it off because I'm very tired. Just want to come on and say hello to everybody. Oh, I'm in Florida now, but I'm heading west to Houston, Texas. I have to be there in the morning. Thank all my Team Happy members for stopping in. Oh, I'm tired. Yeah, well,
like it's storming over there. Whatever that is.
That's down there going towards God. That's in Florida. Further down in Florida is raining.
Yeah, you got to go in. That's a storm.
Where?
No, that way.
That's not a storm.
It it is. I seen the light in it. I'm seeing them looking at and all them thick ass.
All right, guys. I'm gonna run. Catch you guys tomorrow. Hey, check out Princess AG TV show. Be on live. Again, thank you guys.